I discovered something, guys. This is like a cheat code. Many beginners find it difficult to invest in buying connects to be able to apply to so many jobs. It's just very few jobs that you can apply to on Upwork without a connect. But I discovered something that I want to share with you today. I am Queen Valen, and I help beginners learn remote jobs and be financially free. So the code that I cracked this time on Upwork is this. Do you know you can still apply to those works without having to buy the connect? Here's the strategy. When you see an organization or company or someone post a job, click and go and get all the information you need about that company. Get the information, get the address, get everything. Some of them you might even get the email or the website. Get every information you can. Then come back here. It's time to send that code email. By taking out your time and articulate what you want to tell them. And by making it not sound like you're spamming them, because some of them might feel offended that you picked their contact from Upwork and you're sending a cold email. That is why I said, whenever you want to send a cold email, we are like family here, guys. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you want to do, and I got you, guys. I will help you draw out the roadmap on how you send that cold email. If you send it to like 10 recruiters or employers, 2 of them might get back to you because 8 of them might not be interested. So whenever you're sending these emails, always have it in mind that some might not be interested while some will be interested. And when sending that code email, you need to send either your CV or your resume, accompany it with your LinkedIn profile, your cover letter, and of course your portfolio. Guess what, guys? You have started making that move without having to buy connect. This is a cheat code. Until I see you next time, my name is Queen Valen.